Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work and of course I came home to... Who doesn't love coming home to a big box from Ulta, right? So a little backstory on this. I use Ebates and I use it for anything that I buy online. Because of my Ebates, instead of opting for the cash back, I chose to get a gift card. So this is free. I love it. It's like I can choose whatever I want. So, and actually, if you want to sign up for Ebates, they give you like $10 cash back first purchase you make. So this is not a commercial for Ebates. I will leave a link below, but I love it. It works great. And hey, who doesn't love free makeup, right? Or free anything, because you can get a gift card from anywhere you want. They have millions of retailers and could have chosen Amazon if I wanted to. Get anything in the world I want, right? Digging out the trusty Swiss Army knife. Good thing it's sharp. We're gonna dig into this box. I already know what's in this box, but I figured I'd just dig it out and show you what's in here because I'm excited. And there's something in here that I've never tried before. So I'm really stoked about that because who doesn't love trying new things, right? Bubble wrap. I'm surprised my dogs aren't going ape shit right now. Oh, more fancy bubble wrap. Well, this is not bubble wrap, but this is the less fun older brother of bubble wrap. First thing I got is it's the gift set with the mini Hoola bronzer from Benefit. Now my Benefit bronzer, I actually have the mini Hoola that I have been using for, God, a year now, and it never, I mean, it's just now hitting pan. Hold on, I'll show you. Actually, actually, it's been hitting pan for a while. But you know what? I love it. It's like my favorite bronzer. So I figured if it took me that long to hit pan on that bronzer, then this will work out. And this one, actually, ooh, can I get the box open? God, hello. All right, so this one comes with a new mini. I don't think I ever used this brush. I mean, they're cute, but I have a bronzing brush. It is a full-size They're Real mascara. Now, I've never tried this either. This ought to be interesting. Huh. Sparse little applicator in there, so who knows what it'll be like. And then a little tiny cute little mini What's Up highlighter. Let's see. Oh, actually, surprisingly, there's quite a bit of product in that one. So, let's see. Can you see that? That's pretty. All right. New highlighter even. I love it. It's like Christmas. I mean, it is Christmas time. And that was $15. So, it was the cost of what I would have paid for the mini anyways. So, I love it. I got all extra free stuff. And then I got this. Get that off my lap. This is Luscious Lips and Lashes. It's basically just like a sample kit. The good thing about the sample kits is you can try everything, and even if it's not the exact color that you want, if you like the formula, then you know that you like the formula and you can go out and get the color you love. And this one came with a $5 off card in the box, so that's pretty nice, right? I mean, so if I find one that I just can't live without, a formula I can't live without, $5 off. And hey, I can use my Ebates, and I'll probably get another $5 off because, you know. Alright, so this one comes with a little mini, looks like a little mini Urban Decay Vice lipstick. That is Back Talk. Oh, I think I've actually seen this color. I think this is one of their more popular colors. Oh, I had to Look at how tiny it is. It's so cute. That's the Urban Decay Back Talk, the little mini. And then, oh, I don't really know why I'm putting them back in the package. Wow, this is a teeny tiny mini. I mean, come on. This is Bare Minerals, and VIP is the color. So let's take a look at this. Oh, it is red. It's red. So that is the Bare Minerals, VIP, and Buxom. And I believe Buxom is actually made by Bare Minerals. Ooh, my gosh. That is full-on lip polish in Celeste. Now that is this color. Let me see. Anyways, that looks like it's gonna be a gorgeous lip topper. The shimmer in it is beautiful. It's a little teeny tiny. And then you get a full-size Anastasia. Now I know this is a full size because my other Anastasia liquid lips are this size. There it is, and the color is Pure Hollywood. We'll put that right next to the Buxom lip topper and see if this will show up. Oh yeah, it certainly does, doesn't it? That's quite it's kind of a pretty nude. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it when I saw it in here because it looks kind of bleh in here, but it is quite pretty on the skin. And I like their liquid lips. They're quite nice. All right, and then I got a Pure Fully Charged mascara. And the mascaras, I believe, are all minis. Maybe the Tarte one is a full size. Oh, and then they have the superhero mascara. I've seen so many people just rave about this, so I'm stoked. I am super, super, super stoked. Every time I see somebody review this, they just rave about it. So yes. I love it. And then the Tarte Man Eater, and this is another mascara. I wonder if you can see this packaging. It's kind of cute. It's got a purple leopard print on it. I think they're all black. Hopefully they're all black because, oh. And that is yet another interesting wand applicator. This is Lancome's Seals Booster XL. It's a mascara base, basically. And this is probably white and just as a base. Yep. Pretty much what I expected. Last but not least, a little mini Better Than Sex mascara. Now, I already know I love this stuff. This is definitely one of the best mascaras I've ever tried. And strangely, I saw on another video, oh, I think it was like a mini MUA video, where they were talking about how the minis are better than the actual full size. So we'll put that to the test. We'll see whether that's true or not. So anyways, it comes in this cute little, well, set. I think I will get lots of use out of that. And it's got a nice variety of colors in it too, which is fantastic because I think sometimes we can kind of get stuck in a rut. So step out of the comfort zone. Last but not least, this is what I was talking about, that I have never used their cosmetics, and I'm super excited to try them out because I hear great things and I've seen great reviews on them. And it is ColourPop, and this palette is the Rendezvous palette. Let's go ahead and open this up. Wow, that is really, really pretty. I love the colors already. That is gorgeous. When I saw it online, I was like, ooh, those colors are just calling my name. Come and use me. I'm very excited to use this. Let's take a look and see. Oh, I forgot to tell you, there is a Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. Stuff is bomb. I already know how that works and it's great. Let's take a look here. Because I haven't seen anybody actually do a test of this. First colors I'm going to swatch are these three. And that is My Treat, Shake It Off, and Two Birds. They're very pretty. And I didn't get much on of this one, but that gold. Next three are Our Secret, Catch, and Textual. Wow, those mats are really, really good. They're arm swatches, you know, and my skin is really dry because I've not had an opportunity to lotion up or anything since I came home from work, so sorry about that. Okay, so the next three are Style and Grace, Release, and Never Never. This one, oh, I can't wait to see how that looks because it is gorgeous. It's lovely in the pan. Let's see. Maybe I just didn't get enough of that. Let's try that one a little bit more. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, that is really pretty. Okay, and finally, we've got Want You Back, is that one, Fling, and Let's Do It. Alright, so I want to see how this black is. Ooh. Okay, that is nice. They swatch pretty nicely. I'm obviously not the best at this because, well, I'm not going to shave my arms. So it's not like I can do this. Well, I mean, I can, but I don't know. Just not big on that. Anyways, it's a beautiful palette. I can't wait to play around with it and hopefully find some good looks that I can do with it. And I think I got a nice little bargain for nothing because I already spend money online. I love buying makeup at Christmas time because you can get the gift sets, you can check it out, see what you like, what you don't like. You didn't spend a crap ton of money and then find out, oh my god, I hate this formula, I will never wear this, or it dries down too dark, and no. You know what I mean? You can test out the minis and you know what you like. And you can go back and purchase the stuff that you like and in full size or even in minis. I mean, you have such a variety. You may not go through those minis for the next 6 months if you like them all. And you've paid a fraction of the cost that you would have paid for, you know, full-size lipsticks that size. So, you know, some gift sets, not great value, but a lot of them over the holidays are really great values. And I still got my Ebates on the gift set from the gift card that Ebates gave me. So I scored another $5 from Ebates because I bought this stuff when it was 10% back. So hurry me. Yeah, this sounds like an Ebates commercial. It's really not. But hey, you know what? You should sign up anyways. I just was excited to show you my haul, and if you want to see a look using that new palette or any of the minis you want to see better, just put a comment in the comments below. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell, and it'll let you know when I upload every time, hopefully. I'm not really sure how it works. I know people that I'm subscribed to that I have the bell rung. It's kind of a crapshoot. Thank you for joining me. Have a marvelous evening, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.